Previously on OGBreeBree.
If I'm a vlog when I'm in there because I'm kind of pressed for time because I gotta be back in less than an hour. Yeah, I gotta be back to the house in less than an hour so I can take Chris to work. So I'm trying to run out and do this real quick because I'm already on this side of town. There's another Goodwill that I can go to, but I hate going in there. It's stinking at Goodwill. Every time I go in there, it stink. Every other Goodwill smell like Goodwill. This one smell like stank every time I go in there, and I don't want to go in there. But they'll probably be the one that have what I'm looking for. Alright, so y'all, I am about to fix me something to eat really quick here. Who is this calling me? What's up? Nothing. About to fix me something to eat. Man, I couldn't wake up. I'm still trying to wake myself up. I ain't even gonna lie. Like,
it's like you woke up when I got out of bed. You looked at me crazy. Like you was shot. You like you want to work.
Every time I be trying to vlog, people be calling and stuff. They be call me real late at night. Okay, I'm starting to get my energy back a little bit. Ain't gonna lie. I still don't want to go to the stove. So it's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm just crumbling up this ground beef, and I'm just gonna add like some bell peppers and onions in it, and yeah, I'm gonna put some cheese on it, and I'm gonna put it on my little bread. Well, actually, I got some white bread. I ain't even gonna lie. Oh shit! Damn! Damn! That was the clean one that I. Shit. Don't y'all hate that when you drop something on the floor? But what was I saying? I bought some white bread, and the only reason why I bought white bread is because I wanted to see if that's what's causing me acid reflux. Yesterday, I had made me some catfish and some fries, and the fries gave me acid reflux. So I know for a fact that if I eat too many fries, it gives me acid reflux. So I want to see if it's the white bread that also causes me acid reflux, so I can start avoiding those, if that makes sense. And let me show y'all the bread that I bought real quick. Here's the little hoagie rolls that I got. These right here. I was gonna get the wheat ones, but like I told y'all, I'm trying to see if the white bread is what's causing my acid reflux, or it's something totally else that was causing my acid reflux. I forgot, y'all. I forgot to show y'all our new desk. We finally got a desk. Bam! Y'all see that desk right there? Ooh, ooh. I don't know why I'm singing this song. I do not like this song at all. So y'all, let me see if I can move this down. Bam, there it go. So y'all, this is the desk that I bought. I got this off of Amazon. I still need to buy a chair to go right here. I just don't know if I should get a rolling chair or should I just get one of those regular chairs, like those wingback type of chairs or whatever, armless chair. I don't know. Some type of chair like that. And let me tell y'all, this was like $60. It was like $60 and it already I didn't have to put anything together. It came already assembled. So this is like the easiest thing I ever had to put together, because basically it's portable. It's very portable because this part right here, you can just pull this up, and then these little metal things right here, they just fold in together. So it's kind of like, it reminds me of like a little kid table or something, or like, I don't know, y'all know like the card tables. That's what it kind of reminds me of, but it don't look like one. So it's really easy to put together. Like when the box came, you basically just pulled this part, these metal things out of it, opened it up, and then took the plastic off this wood part right here and put it on there. Bam, it's done. You ain't got to put no screws, no nothing. So that's what this came from. Amazon. Hey. Hey, I just wanted to show y'all the food that I'm making real quick. I told y'all that I was making like a deconstructed type of burger situation thing. So let me show you. So basically, this is just my ground beef. I put some green onions in here and some regular onions, and I'm just gonna put some cheese on top and put it on a little hoagie roll and make like a little quick, I don't know what to call it, like deconstructed. Like, I don't want to call it a Philly cheesesteak because it's not the right type of meat for a cheesesteak, but it's still beef. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah. So that's what I'm making right now with that. And I'm also making some fries, but I'm not going to make that many because I realized yesterday if I made a lot of fries, then it gives me acid reflux. But if I eat a little bit of fries, it don't give me acid reflux. So yeah, so that's what I mean when I say that I've been kind of like off the rail with my little diet thing, but don't judge me, you know. That's what I wanted to eat. You know what I'm saying? This is what my little situation is looking like. I toasted the bread and I just put my meat on there that has the onions and the green peppers, and then I just made me some fries right here. That's it. Nothing special. Just something simple because I'm hungry.
He deserves better. What the heck is going on? Have you seen the women on his arm before?
Okay, now I want to go back to the Goodwill. Now I want to go back. I got some energy. I ate. That was actually pretty good. It didn't look all that hot, but it tastes really good. It tastes just like a Philly cheesesteak. So yeah, I put the rest of the food up because I showed Steve a picture of it. He said that he wants some when he come home from work. So I'm about to go to the Goodwill real quick.
Do y'all see that? It's a police sign in Goodwill. What? It's police. I can't be mad because I ain't been shopping there. I guess ain't nobody been shopping there. Can't even be mad. So now I gotta go to the funky one, y'all. I got to go to the funky one now. This is TMI, but this is my channel. I can say what the hell I want to. You know, this is my channel. But y'all, okay, so y'all know that I had the little hoagie roll, right? I got some gas going on up in here. So I'm starting to think that I can't eat white bread. Just starting to think that's what it is. I can't eat white bread because I got some gas going on up in here, like some, like not gas where I'm just farting. No, not that type of gas, but I'm talking about I'm just like gassy, and it's that trap type of gas that's not coming out. It's a situation like that where I'm just feeling a little bloated, if that makes sense. So, well, my little sandwich was good, but now I know that I need to get 100% whole wheat bread because I can't do the white bread no more. Can't. Y'all, I swear this Goodwill smell like straight ass every time I go in here. Ass. Oh, I hate this Goodwill. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. Y'all, I'm going home. I'm going home. I shouldn't even left the house in the first place. Shouldn't have left. Why did I leave? Why? I'm just wasting gas. Just wasting gas. Watch my mama call my phone back. Yeah, she just hung up in my face. My mama just hung up in my face. Because I told her I couldn't understand what she was saying, so she hung up in my face. So, y'all, don't you hate when you tell somebody that you can't understand what they're saying and they start yelling? I'm like, I didn't say that I couldn't hear you. I can hear you fine. Just repeat what you said because I didn't understand what you said. I said, that's my mama. I said, Mama, you ain't got to yell. I just didn't understand what you said. Repeat it. Yeah. Here go my mama. Hello?
Can you hear me better now?
Yeah, I could hear you. I just couldn't understand what you were saying.
Okay, I was saying the center is selling raffle tickets for two. Anywhere Southwest flies. It's good for a year for $5.
Oh, really?
You think you'd be interested in any? Well, I can't do it, but I can put your name on my tickets.
Do what?
I said I can't get in it, but a family member can.
Oh, really? Okay. That's fine. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I swear. I've been trying. Let me hurry up and say it before she call back. I've been trying to get my mama to get on Verizon. She don't want to do it. She got these cheap phone services, and that's what happened. You see how she was talking to me, then all of a sudden the phone hung up? She don't believe it. See, y'all see why I like that I have two phones now, because this is what happens every time I try to vlog. Hello?
What's up, man?
What's up?
Is there anything you want to get to Vlogtober to the house?
You can get some more fries, because there ain't no more fries left.
You wanted some fries, huh?
Well, I've been eating on them same fries for a couple of days.
Okay. No problem, no.
Mm-hmm.
Alright,
And you can grab something to drink. If you would, could you give me some Gatorade? Blue or yellow, it don't matter.
Okay.
All right.
Anything else?
I don't know. You might want to get you something to drink, cause it ain't nothing to drink here unless you gonna drink some water.
Okay.
All right.
Alright, man. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright.
But like I said, y'all see why I like having two phones. Because for one, I can actually be on my phone while I'm vlogging, and I can answer the phone and stuff. Cause like Steve and my mom be calling my phone all the time. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry that this vlog has been very boring, but I'm not always doing something. For the most part, I'm mainly not doing anything. So, yeah. Sorry.